Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be doing what's in my backpack. Yeah, what is in my backpack. So I have this calendar which contains everything that I need for the week, like everything that I'm going to be doing for the week. And since I'm in French immersion, mostly all of the things in my backpack are French, well not really. So here's my backpack. So we're going to start from the front pocket. Let's go check what's in here. I have these two papers, and I don't really know what it's for, but it's two papers. Second pocket. Where is it? Oh, here it is. I have lip balm, hand lotion, and then I don't want to show this, but yeah. I don't want to show it. Okay, here's the main place that I have. And I forgot, I have a water bottle. The pocket area. I'm trying to find it. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So let's go check what's in here. Go back up a bit. I have my music binder with my recorder. If you don't know what that is, I'll show you what it is. It is actually, it's like a flute, but you don't play it this way, you actually play it this way. And it's been here a long time. That's what my music teacher said. And next up, I have gym clothes. Of course, you need them. And then after that, I've got headsets, which are for my computer lab. After that, we go over here. This is actually my homework. It's the Language Power A, Unit 1, Vocabulary. Yeah. And then after that, I have my agenda. Here's in the front. Here's in the back. And I have things in my agenda right now. And then after that, I've got this, which is actually grade 5 spelling words. And I have words in here that I need to learn. Oops, it's falling. After that, I have my last week one. Yeah. Oh, actually, it's this week one, and the other one was the last week. So, yeah.